What's going on, everyone? My name is Nicholas Merton here at DataDash, and today is August 27th of 2017. So everyone, we hit a massive milestone this morning. We hit over 20,000 subscribers, 20,000 people strong in the DataDash family. Folks, I don't know what to say to this. I am extremely gracious, I'm humbled, and in a sense, I'm shocked. Because I never expected this channel to grow so fast. We started off this channel back in early July, and it has been less than a little bit over a month and a half since we've had this channel, less than 2 months, and we've been able to reach 20,000 subscribers. There really is no words I can say. I'm relatively speechless other than what I know I can say right now, and it's 2 words that I say a lot on this channel, but I really do mean it, and I think it's not said enough. Thank you. I mean, this goes to anyone out there in the community. I mean in the sense of those who have provided feedback on my videos, whether it's positive or negative, whether it's just critical feedback, whether you have attended both my videos, my live streams, whether you've participated in the Telegram, the Discord, whether you're a moderator, whether you're a donor to the channel, whether it's been through Super Chat donations, Patreon, Bitcoin or Ethereum donations. You all have been immensely supportive of my channel. Even if you just view my channel and see me as a way of guidance in the cryptocurrency space. That's all I've ever really wanted, is to have this sense of community. And, you know, whereas a lot of YouTubers want, you know, money or fame or publicity, I've never really been about that. I'm no icon or any sense, you know, I'm not some stock, you know, whiz or, you know, crypto guru of that sort. And I think you all realize that, but you listen to me, you like my content, you see that I try to put quality in it. I'm not here to sell you on something or, you know, distribute it to some referral link so I can make cash flow. You know, I'm here to help teach you all and to see you all out there when, you know, I can hop in on all the different routes in my community, whether it be in the Discord or it be in the Telegram group or in the comments on my videos. I go out there and I see you all discussing with one another, helping to build on one another, answering each other's questions, and building that sense of community that I've always wanted for DataDash. From the beginning, when I knew there was something growing with it, I said, look, I don't want this to be some standard channel. I want this to be a sense of community. I want there to be a sense of a family being built where we build upon one another, because I'm no whiz, and I don't think any of us are. But if we build on one another, like I've seen in this community, I know that we can all become better traders and investors in cryptocurrencies. And it warms my heart to a very genuine sense to see you all doing that out there. So thank you. Thank you for participating in the community. Thank you for making it stronger. And thank you for being one of the many out of the 20,000 strong in our community who have made DataDash the name that it is. So thank you all. Now, I don't want to just end the video here saying thank you. We've got a few things to talk about. I really want to emphasize how far we've come in such a short period of time as well. We have reached over 20,000 subscribers in less than 2 months. Looking at the numbers of growth, a lot of you have just joined in the past week or so. We have had immense growth on this channel, and I think it's because of the main core factor that I've been reiterating through this video. We have built a sense of community, and I want to keep growing that community. I want to make it stronger. I want to find more routes for you to communicate and also get more information both for myself and people in the community as well. But we have been able to grow this community so fast, and I can tell you all, even though we've come a long way, I think it's just the beginning. So thank you all so much for your support. You're a part of the early phase of this channel, I can tell you that. We've got a lot more room to grow, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for it. And speaking of the future, you know, I've been thinking about what we could do for this channel in the sense of expanding it and making it more of a fun community for everyone to enjoy. Now, this isn't everything, but these are the main bulletins, the main bullet points that I want to bring up in the sense of focus for our channel and our community. The first one is Project Dash. Now, I know it seems kind of counterproductive. I can't talk too much about Project Dash, but I will tell you it's the next big step that we're working on between the moderators and a few people in our community, in the sense of developing a platform for you all to communicate with one another and then also get up-to-date cryptocurrency news. So again, can't talk too much on it, but there will be more coming on that soon. It's a project that I'm very ambitious about, and hopefully it'll come out in the next month or two, at least an early form of it. But yeah, we'll let you know about it more on the channel as it comes into fruition. I'm very excited about it though. Next up, I want to really confirm that we have a set streaming schedule. This has been set in stone for a few weeks now, but I want to make it clear for those who are watching. Monday, Friday, and Sunday 8 p.m. through 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we stream. So a good 9 hours when we can communicate. I send out alerts on the Telegram group for the alert group that I have, and you can join that for free. I send out a multitude of different alerts, but it also is where I send my live stream alerts just to let you know a little bit beforehand before the stream comes online. And yeah, I think the streams have been really getting fun, guys. We've had over 400 people in our last one, so we want you to join in. We want you to have a good time and ask as many questions, and I'll try to get to them because I love communicating with you all and having a few good laughs as well while we do it. The next one is on the topic of streaming, multi-platform streaming. A lot of you have been saying, Nick, when are you going to jump over to Twitch? A lot of people think I have to make a transition to one platform, but I really do get the genuine concern of like, can we get it on Twitch as well? That actually is a feature that I learned about through one of our moderators, Aegis. I can do multi-platform streaming, and it doesn't, don't worry, I know I have internet issues sometimes. We are going to be, we fixed a lot of the internet issues in the first place, but also on the multi-platform streaming where I can stream on YouTube, Twitch, and a variety of other platforms, it will not take up any more power on my end, and it will be able to stream to a multitude of platforms for you all. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? I can stream on multiple platforms, so I'm going to be getting on Twitch soon. We're trying to set it up right now, and I'll let you all know in an update through Telegram or on my videos through my live streams as to how that's going. So that's coming very soon, guys, and I can't wait to see it be implemented. Then also the last point that I want to bring up is the topic of private coaching sessions. I've gotten reached out in the past week extensively about private coaching sessions. There's two reasons why I can't do one-on-one private coaching sessions, or at least the way that I've been asked. A lot of people have been coming to me and saying, Nick, can I pay you an hourly rate for you to coach me on cryptocurrencies? First off, I want to say thank you. It's humbling that you all really trust me in that sense. But I got to say two things. First off, I don't have the time. I just really do not, between an apprenticeship that I might be working soon, and then also, just Data Dash and other things that I'm working on. I am continuously on the clock doing things. So I don't have the time for private one-on-one coaching sessions. However, I do not want to leave you empty-handed, and I really want to show you how genuine I am about teaching you. So here's my deal about how I can fix this and resolve this issue. Instead of my live streams that are crowded with 400 plus people, and that number is probably going to continue to grow if we continue to grow as a channel, I want to do a private group stream every few weeks or month. And in this private group stream, there's going to be a Google form that I'll distribute out on my live streams and on my Telegram group where you can register. And there's going to be a limited amount of seats, so you have to register pretty quick, around 40 to 50 people that can register, submitting their email, their name, and their general focus, where you can come into a private coaching stream where I'll allow you all to ask some questions as I go through some technical analysis, and I'll teach you all and answer some of the questions that you might have. And keep in mind here, this is not a stream where you can go, hey, what do you think about XYZ coin? Can you cover XYZ coin? Should I buy Bitcoin now? First off, I usually don't really like questions like that because they're very generic, but especially in this private group stream, you need to come in with specific technical and fundamental analysis questions, things that I can dive in for a few minutes and really answer. So this is definitely for some people who are more serious. And the big thing I want to say is, outside of registering and, hopefully getting in, there is no need to pay. I know you all really say, like, I'll pay you for your time, and I do appreciate that. But guys, as I've said from the beginning, money is not important to me. My important job here is going out of my way to teach you. I want to teach you. It's an ambition for myself. I really do enjoy it. It's something that I get a little bit of passion out of, and I like seeing you all become better investors and traders, and I love reading the comments about how you all are making money day by day by day because you're playing it smart, you're learning, you're researching, you're putting in the effort to do it. Now, that all being said, if you do like the information that I provide to you at the end of the live stream, or if a week or two down the road you've used the information that I gave to you and it helped you, feel free to reach out and donate to me. As I've said from the beginning, I want it to be a merit-based system. Money is not everything in this world, but it is nice if you can donate to the channel and support me out because it helps me do this more full-time. But again, I'm not here to just sell you on things, guys. I'm not here to sell you some exclusive package. I'm here to teach you and really build it off of a merit-based system so we can build that trust between one another and build the community. So I really can't wait to start doing this. I'll be sending out more information, but if you're interested, leave a comment down below and I'll try to keep in contact with you and send you a specific message. Sign up for the alerts group though through my Telegram to hear more about this. All right, next up is future video plans. There's a lot of cool things that are going to be coming in the pipeline for future videos. First and foremost, I want to be doing some more interviews, whether that is for developers of ICOs or cryptocurrencies that recently hit the market or are planning to hit the market. I want to do some more interviews with them, along with fans in my community. I love doing our monthly Google Hangout, but I'd like to do some individual one-on-one fan interviews and talking about crypto trends, things like that, covering some big headlines. And along with that, I want to do some fellow YouTubers. I've been talking about having box mining on, Ivan on Tech, some of my favorite YouTubers. Whether I do interviews on their channel or on my channel, I would love it. I want to communicate with fellow YouTubers. I'm not someone who tries to, compete with fellow YouTubers. I really want to build a sense of community, as I've said with this channel. And the same goes for talking with other YouTubers. I love so many people out there in the community. I think there's a lot of genuine YouTubers other than myself that are really teaching people how to, approach cryptocurrencies. And like I said, the names I listed aren't even the only ones. There's a lot of great names out there, and I'd love to have you on the channel. So I'm going to try and reach out to a few different YouTubers and see if we can get them on, and maybe have a big group live stream on the channel where we can have a lot of big names and just have a huge live stream and just, talk it out, talk about cryptocurrencies, what we're investing in, and really just get a sense of community going on. Because I think it's a very community-oriented topic in the sense of cryptocurrencies, and I'd love to continue growing it. Next up, a series that I've only done one episode on, but I want to bring a return to it now that our community has gotten bigger, is the What's in Your Wallet series. In this series, it's very simple. You leave a comment down below of your wallet, and I critique it. Okay? Now, this might be good, it might be bad, and it might be plain out ugly, but I want to see your wallet, and I'm going to give you that hard critical feedback and give you any criticism I can to help you critique and build your wallet. And this can also be good for those of you who don't comment, but also might have matching portfolios, or might say like, okay, yeah, the criticism you gave we could apply to my portfolio. It's a funny, yet at the same time critical series where I help engage with you all and give you feedback as I can. However, remember, as I always say, and I'm going to actually probably get a button soon that repeats this saying, hi, my name is Nick. I'm not a financial advisor. But again, in all seriousness, I'm not a financial advisor, so you got to do your own research and make your own decisions. Next up, speaking of doing research and things like that in the sense of long-term investing, portfolio videos. You all really liked my top 5 cryptocurrency portfolios for the long term, and I love that you all are thinking in a long-term perspective, at least the vast majority of you. So I want to do more videos focused on specific industries, risk profiles, etc. in the sense of building portfolios. I think that that's a very important topic, and I think there's probably dozens more videos I could do in regards to that. But they're going to be tailored to towards specific industries probably, or like I said, different risk profiles. And then last but not least is a category of other ideas. I want to do a lot of potential cool concepts that I haven't really tapped on. One that I thought about is doing book reviews. Now, I'm not going Tai Lopez on you, reading a book a day, but I really want to, talk about a few books that I picked up. Speaker F, who's one of our admins, donated a recent Amazon gift card, and I've been picking up a lot of books that I've been meaning to read. One of them that I've been looking at recently is The Internet of Money by Andreas Antonopoulos, and he is a wonderful crypto speaker. I'm subscribed to him on YouTube. You should go check him out. Definitely understands the fundamentals of crypto and answers any questions that you might have. And then also a book called Fooled by Randomness. I always tell you all to stay humble as traders, because a lot of the times we don't know where the market's going. We never know where the market's going. Anyone who says they know where it's going is wrong. Now, you might have technical analysis that can guide you and say, it's more likely something's going to go this way. But Fooled by Randomness talks all about, people who think they know the market, and really a lot of the times markets are random. And it really proposes the idea of long-term investing. So I want to do maybe some book reviews, talk about one of these, maybe do one a month or something. I thought it'd be kind of a cool video to do from time to time to get you all really thinking in a fundamental sense. And then also, on the same topic, maybe doing some videos on the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and the banking system. I'd love to talk about how I think the banking system is failing, how it has robbed us of our wealth in this country. I'm not very political on this channel, but that's the one thing I will talk about and share my opinion. And I think most of you agree with that in the crypto community. But talking about that, and then also branching off to cryptocurrencies, kind of like how I did with my Bitcoin versus gold video. A lot of kind of fundamental questions like that, and diving into a lot of good presentation videos. So lots coming in the pipeline, so I hope you all stay tuned in the sense of future videos. But I gotta take a moment here to really speak on an individual level here. This channel has been seeing an immense amount of support from its community, but there is a specific group of people who have put every single bit of effort they can into making this channel what it is. It would be nowhere close to where it is. I wouldn't have the subscriber count that I do have, and I wouldn't be able to manage it like it's been managed. With the Discord and the Telegram and the live stream. My moderators in this community have been immensely supportive. They've not only been, some of them, lifelong friends, but new friends that have become some of my best. And they're some of the brightest, kindest people I've ever met. Not to mention very skilled people as well. And like I said, the Data Dash community would not be anything without them. So I want to go through on a little bit more of an individual basis and really just give everyone a little bit of a shout out. First off and foremost, Aegis, who is a lifelong friend of mine. He has been immensely supportive at setting up the stream. He has experience working on multitudes of streams for people. He's the person who made the layout that you see on my stream that looks a lot more professional than my previous ones that were pretty boring. And he's really helped me branch it out, not to mention set up the Discord properly and really get this sense of structure in the community and keep things organized. So Aegis, thank you so much, man. You've been an immense friend to me, and you've been really immense at setting this community up. And then my two close friends that I know in personal life for quite some time, Jetty and EP Foam Home, two of my brothers to the end. I love you guys. You guys have been supportive of me, not only for my YouTube channel, but through every endeavor that I've taken on. You've shared some great laughs with me, some great memories, and you all have been great at moderating the stream, sharing links with people, and keeping the stream of things going. So I want to thank you all very much. You guys have been immensely supportive of me during this time of fast-paced growth on my YouTube channel and really helping build the Data Dash community. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. And we'll keep snapping away. I know they give me crap for snapping all the time. But on to another person who's been an immense amount of support and is honestly one of my new favorite friends in this community, Speaker F. I've never met someone who has been so fundamentally good at research in cryptocurrencies and someone who has been so good at helping to protect and solidify the growth of the Data Dash community. Speaker F is a close friend of mine. Not in real life, but in the sense of community, for the community for Data Dash. He's gone out of his way to find other ways we can expand the channel. He's always showing me new opportunities to cover in this channel, and really knows how to find good things. He was in the finance sector originally back in 08, and he saw how it really hit people, and he understands the importance of cryptocurrency. So he's been a fan of it for quite some time, and has definitely been a long-term investor in it. So he understands the fundamentals, and that means a lot to me. So Speaker Up, thank you so much. Even through at a moment where he's currently injured, he's been helping out the community like no one else. He has been fantastic. So Speaker, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you for being a part of the community, and thank you so much for keeping it strong and continuing to grow. So you've been a great friend to me. Pepe, just the same as Speaker F, has been an immense supporter. Whether it be, moderating the streams, helping to keep the Discord chat alive, he has been probably the main source of the Discord chat. Pepe has been a close friend to me, and as someone who has been going through his own struggles, he has continued to be one of the biggest supporters on this channel. A wonderful moderator, my spiciest meme on the channel. I love Pepe, and he is just too kind, too funny, and really just a genuine guy. I recommend you reach out to him in the community. And I gotta say, Pepe, thanks, man. You've been immensely supportive of this channel and an early believer, so I appreciate that. We've also got my other close friend, Baka, who is close friends with Aegis as well. We've been lifelong friends for quite some time, and he's been an immense support on this channel ever since he recently joined. He's agreed to also help on Project Dash. He's probably the biggest lead on the project right now, and he's very advanced in the sense of the technical side of things. And I want to say Baka has been an immense friend to me personally, and he's been so nice about jumping into this community, even though he has a busy schedule himself. But I really appreciate having him on in the family, and I can't wait to see what we can do with Project Dash. Next up is Aaliyah. Aaliyah was one of the first people in my community to really reach out to me and show that they were interested in technical analysis, sending me videos through my Telegram chat, and I really loved seeing that ambition with Aaliyah, and I knew that I had to have Aaliyah as a moderator. So Aaliyah, thank you so much for being a contributor to the Discord, to the Telegram. You've been a great friend in the sense of building out a community for Data Dash, and you've been connecting with people, so thank you so much for everything that you do, and I'm glad you're wanting to learn about technical analysis. So keep up at it, and I hope I can help you at any turn. And then we've got my friend here, Brush Bro, otherwise known as Logan. You probably all know him in the community if you're on the Telegram. He is the reason the Telegram chat is alive. There would be no reason that we would be at the immense amount of growth without Logan. He has kept the chat alive, he's connected with everyone, and he's become really smart at saving and long-term investing in cryptocurrency. So Logan, keep at it, man. You've been awesome. You've also kept the Discord alive as well, and really been an immense asset to the community and a good moderator as well. And last but not least, we got Shexper. Shexper is an awesome friend of mine as well in the community. He's really kept the Discord alive. He really early on was one of the first few people who saw that I was trying to build this sense of community, and I appreciated that. And I knew that I had to have him as a moderator, and he's just a great guy, very genuine. Reach out to him if you can. Very interesting. He's been in, a lot of people. He said that a lot of people have called him the Bitcoin kid for quite some time because he's been in interest in the sense of cryptocurrencies for quite some time. So if you got any questions, ask him. He's a pretty smart guy. So again, thank you so much, moderators. You have been immensely supportive at making this channel what it is. I owe you utmost gratitude. It would not be what it is without you. But I've got to say, last and foremost, and Harold and I have to give you a toast. Thank you, everyone, for what you've done for this channel. Again, I don't know if I said at the beginning of the video, if you would have told me 2 months ago that I would be doing cryptocurrency videos and I would have 20,000 people in my community, in this family that we've built, watching this channel, I'll be honest, I probably would have laughed at you, because I never would have given myself the sense of confidence and thinking that I could grow a channel to that size and to have so many people who watch me. I mean, I hope I show it to you all that I really am humbled by it. I'm no, genius by any standard. I know generally what I'm talking about. I've done a few years of investing myself. I've known about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin since 2011, and man, it's amazing to see how fast not only this community's grown, but how fast cryptocurrencies have grown. And to think right here, right now, if you're on this channel right now, even if you're one of the most recent subscribers, whether you've been here from the beginning or if you're a new subscriber, you are here early, folks. Cryptocurrencies are just beginning. The world doesn't even know about cryptocurrencies. You'll be hard-pressed to even talk to someone who's heard about Bitcoin. And maybe they've heard about it in the headlines, but they don't really know what it is on a fundamental level, and they haven't even touched it. Just think about what happens when the world adopts cryptocurrencies. We are so early on, folks, and I'm so happy you're here. You're learning early on, you're putting in the effort, whether you're trading or investing, you're learning how to do it properly, and I love that. Not to mention you're helping to build upon one another, which more than anything is what I've wanted with this channel. So again, I'm going to say it one last time, thank you for being a part of this community, and I'm so happy to have you all here. I guess that's a good way to end it. You all have been immensely supportive, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay tuned.